All right, everybody, welcome back. On today, we're going to start covering some things that should be in your pack. We're going to take you from beginning your pack. Once you've established what kind of pack you want, what kind of backpack, fanny pack, whatever you want, we're going to go through step by step from start to finish on several videos here on things you should have in your pack. On this video, we're going to do some Vaseline and cotton balls. Now, what makes Vaseline good? Not only is it petroleum jelly, 100% pure petroleum jelly, which makes it extremely flammable, but it's also a great protectant. If you get a cut or something like that, it'll seal it up and keep you from becoming infected, or keep the contaminants out. Okay, so I'm going to pause this for a second here, and I'm going to get a few things set up, and we'll get going with this. Now, when using cotton balls, what you want is the 100% pure cotton. Okay, you're just going to stick them in there, and you're going to smear them in good. You're going to get a good, nice coat of petroleum jelly on them. Okay, like that right there. Now, I'm going to give you a little demonstration on the flammability of these. Just light them up with your lighter, or they will take a spark readily too. Each one of these is going to give me about approximately 5 to 7 minutes, I should say, of burn time. Now, while that's burning, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take, best thing to keep these in is a little container, something like that right there, empty medicine bottle. I'm just going to, pack these individually. I'm going to smear them in there, get a good heavy coat on there, and I'm going to pack them into here. Now, that little feller there is still burning. I have 8 shoved into there. Okay, so that lets me know I have approximately 48 minutes of burn time here. So what I'm going to do is so nothing else gets in here, is I'm going to seal this up with the petroleum jelly. Now I've got them all into here. That little thing's still burning. Now this is something that's really lightweight, and it's really a nice addition to your pack. So what we're going to do is we're going to weigh these just to show you how lightweight these are. Okay, so we're ready to go here, see how much this weighs. 1.7, we'll go with 1.75 for heavy side, ounces. 1.72 final, 1.74, we'll go with 1.75. That'll be the heavy side. So that is still burning strong. Under 2 ounces, let's just say under 2 ounces, and I have approximately 48 minutes of burn time, if not more, because these are heavy coated. This one it's over 6 minutes. It's like 7.5 minutes right now, and it's still going. So we're just going to go with that right there. So for under $5, under $5, I can produce about 6 hours of burn time. Okay, now, so not only should you want these, but also a Bic lighter. First things need to go in your pack. If you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. Till the next one, that's it for this one.